How to use YouTube to grow your real estate business. Are you ready to unlock a flood of new leads and become the go-to real estate expert in your area? In today's video, we're diving deep into how to use YouTube to grow your real estate business. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Ricky Villarroel, and I'm passionate about helping real estate agents like you leverage the power of video marketing. YouTube isn't just for cat videos. It's a powerful search engine and a goldmine for real estate professionals. Think about it. Potential clients are already searching for homes, neighborhoods, and real estate advice online. By creating valuable content, you can position yourself as the expert and attract a steady stream of qualified leads. It's all about showing, not just telling what you know. YouTube allows you to showcase properties, provide neighborhood tours, and answer common real estate questions. This builds trust and credibility with potential clients before you even meet them. First impressions matter. Make sure your channel is professionally branded with a clear logo, banner image, and a compelling About section. Your channel description should clearly state your expertise and target audience. Use relevant keywords like real estate agent, Texas real estate, and home buying tips. Think of your channel as your online storefront. You want it to be inviting, informative, and easy to navigate. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. What kind of content should you create? Focus on providing value to your target audience. Think about the questions your clients ask you every day. Consider creating videos on topics like first-time homebuyer tips, neighborhood tours of Miami, Florida, the home buying process explained, and market updates for New York. Remember to optimize your videos for search by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help people find your content when they're searching on YouTube. When you're thinking about how to use YouTube to grow your real estate business, remember that consistency is key. Aim to upload new videos regularly, even if it's just once a week. SEO is crucial for getting your video seen. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and TubeBuddy to research relevant keywords. Fleeky is a great platform to create engaging videos to get more leads. The link is in the description. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Don't stuff keywords, but make sure they're present and relevant. Also, create compelling thumbnails that grab attention and accurately represent your video's content. A good thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Don't just upload your videos and hope for the best. Promote them on your other social media channels, email list, and website. Engage with your audience in the comments section. Respond to questions, thank people for their feedback, and encourage further discussion. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to become clients. Please like, share, and subscribe. What are some of the biggest challenges you face when creating video content? Let me know in the comments below. Track your YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like views, watch time, and subscriber growth. Use this data to refine your content strategy and focus on creating more of what your audience wants to see. Remember, how to use YouTube to grow your real estate business is an ongoing process. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to experiment. YouTube can be a great addition to grow your real estate business on a social media platform. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use YouTube to grow your real estate business. By implementing these strategies, you can attract more leads, build your brand, and become a recognized expert in your market. Now I want you to take action. Start by creating a YouTube channel if you don't already have one. Then, brainstorm some video ideas based on the tips we discussed today. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for you. And most importantly, be consistent. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more real estate marketing tips. Click the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.